The mobile phone industry is ever expanding as new companies spring up, bringing a unique element that is not at the moment contained. The most contended area among the brands is the utilization of artificial intelligence and the ever-evolving technology. Tesla's new phone is not only the latest in the market but also the game changer in mobile phone technology. In this video we explore how the Pi phone is better than the highly awaited iPhone 14. Welcome to this video where we will explore how the Tesla phone will destroy Apple iPhone 14. Since January of 2007's first announcement of the iPhone, the phone industry has never been the same. It was the first smartphone ever designed by the Apple company. It became the most successful product of the company, as Apple soon after became the most profitable company by then. Now Apple nearly always introduces a new iPhone each year with a new model coming with improved features. The iPhone has stood as the best phone since it was first launched, except for a few occasional challenges from Samsung. Especially in recent times, it is almost unimaginable to say or think that the world can see a better phone than the iPhone owing to its unique features. But is it possible? A man recently ran a marathon and less than 2-hour mark to communicate to his fellows that no man is limited. Back to the iPhone. The iPhone has generally won the hearts of many in the world, especially in the US. It stands tall above its Android counterparts in almost every department. The newest iPhone model is the iPhone 13. I will tell you, it is a masterpiece. Apple is set to release the iPhone 14, its successor, probably in September according to the iPhone Custom. iPhone 14 has a lot of store promised. Are you wondering how good Tesla's phone has to beat Apple's iPhone 14? Well, you're in the right place. The phone is the new smartphone sensation that will take over the market. Tesla is a giant tech company specializing in fully electric vehicles and energy generation and storage systems. Does that sound far from mobile phone technology? Well, it might, but its greatest asset and boast is the company's CEO Elon Musk. Elon Musk runs Tesla and SpaceX, two giant tech companies. Now he wants to produce the world's best phone. Lean in closer as we explore how Tesla's Pi phone will literally destroy Apple's soon-to-be released iPhone 14. They say if you have a big rival, then you should never let them know your secrets. If an assassin showed you their face, they would have to kill you afterward. Captured soldiers in wars are tortured for long hours in a bid to reveal the enemy's plans. Or let's say, what would happen if you were playing chess with someone who already knew all of your moves? Well, this is the situation that Apple finds itself in. A phone's design and general appearance are significant assets, and Apple knows this better. For a long time, the iPhone outsmarted other phone companies with its unique shape and design. Unfortunately, this time Elon Musk seems to have mischievously thrown in a checkmate. Apple's former chief Antonio de Rosa is the man from whom Elon Musk has specially assigned the task of designing the Pi phone. This does not only mean that the design will be great because of his exemplary talent, but also because he knows the Apple trick. Won't it be interesting to find out the outcome of this project? Reports say that the Pi phone is set to be released about 2 months after iPhone 14. Perfect timing. We are yet to find out the first feature I would run for when buying a phone. Forget the design and shape, is the RAM and processor. If you're a lover of video games, you will agree that good RAM is a necessary feature. Most Android phones have a small amount of RAM that wouldn't last a year of use. You wouldn't want a phone that cannot launch your favorite game or even 2 of your favorite games. How much is a lot of RAM? A phone is only as good as its speed. The speed is determined by its use. A phone with a high processing speed must have a combination of fast processor and a large enough amount of RAM. The Pi phone is set to run with a 16GB RAM capacity against iPhone 14's 6GB. Why this ambiguously big amount of RAM? While it might seem like Elon Musk is overflexing his muscles over Apple, the truth is to the contrary. The Pi phone is set to go beyond video games. Elon Musk wants his new phone to be used to mine cryptocurrencies. Insane, right? Yes, insane, but Mr. Musk has severally indicated to love insane. If you are privileged to have crypto knowledge, then you know that it is currently only mined using huge computers that consume a lot of power. Well, Mr. Musk has that ambition, and boy, he will achieve it. iPhone 14. Developers, on the other hand, have no such plans. Another amazing thing about Tesla's Pi phone is its ability to function well without needing a SIM card. Perhaps you wonder, how is this even possible with technology? Anything you can imagine is possible. Unlike iPhone 14, the Python will have a built-in network system. We shall see how it's a game changer next. Rarely does one check a phone's RAM size, then they quickly want to check its storage capacity. In this age where technology is everything, you wouldn't have to walk around with an external hard disk or be forced to delete other files before in order to find space for your current files. Tesla's phone promises an enormous 2 terabytes of space compared to iPhone 14's limited 512 gigabytes. This will mean that you can use your iPhone for a computer. In other words, you will not get the annoying low storage notification on top of your phone screen. What a phone, right? Not what a machine is. Proper. There is more. You want a good camera. Everybody wants or needs one in this age. A picture perfect camera is so much sort of entity, much to the disappointment of many. The camera technologists have for long been aiming at the 2020 vision of the human eye. It is argued that the camera cannot be better than the human eye. If we go by the discoveries we are seeing now, the human eye seems to be just a stopover. We'll have to be here long enough if we are to see this. For some, the camera specifications will be the first qualifier of a new phone. Well, the good news is that the iPhone is such a phone that the phone is said to have 4 cameras as opposed to iPhone 14's 3 cameras. Furthermore, the iPhone's primary back camera will have a 108 megapixel sensor against the 48 megapixel sensor of the iPhone 14. According to available reports, Tesla's phone is looking beyond Earth for its camera use. The camera is set to be used by astronauts in their space exploration, so then you must understand how good it has to be. Besides that, the phone will have a 48 megapixel front camera over iPhone's 12 megapixels front camera. How good is a 48 megapixel selfie camera? With this camera you can take well detailed photos even for night sky photography. What's more, the phone's camera will be able to capture photos even when recording a video. How good could it be? Well, you have to hold it to discover more. Even before we look at anything, I'm sure you're already guessing a great revolution here. Tesla specializes in batteries, and it will not be surprising to see how hugely they invest in their new baby in the market, the iPhone. The largest phone battery is 6000 milliamps, and if you understand the battery life dynamics, this is huge. Again, for the video gamers, this is a feature to be highly considered. Not only is the battery life essential, but also its lifespan and depreciation rate. A closely important aspect of batteries is the speed of charging. You want a phone whose charging will take only a couple of minutes. It is disgusting to wait a whole hour for you to be charged. If you're an iPhone user, you know this is its weakest point. If there is a department where Apple has not invested in their iPhones, it's their batteries. iPhone 13, the newest iPhone model, only has a 3200 mAh of battery. The soon to be released iPhone 14 will have a mere 3600 mAh battery. Pretty poor, right? I know it is. Here where Tesla's phone comes to your rescue with its staggering 7000 mAh capacity, bigger than anything currently on the market. This is not all, as the iPhone is said to be enabled with powerful solar panels to help with its charging. This means that you will not need to carry your charger around. Your iPhone will charge in the sun. Just stick it in the window for a bit and you're good to go. Every phone user desires a super fast internet. With the introduction of the 5G network, the world has gone wild with great expectations for the upcoming phone models. 5G has big promises for tech companies, as we'll probably explore them in another video. The phone will utilize SpaceX's Starlink satellite network. If you did not know, SpaceX currently provides internet access in 34 countries and aims at global coverage. iPhone's internet will run so fast to reach a download speed of 200 megabits per second. Crazy. With a single tap, you can download huge volumes of data. YouTube, Netflix and other streaming apps will be no problem. If that hasn't impressed you yet, the Python will have an inbuilt Wi-Fi, as it would not need a cellular network. As opposed to iPhone 14, it will not suffer losses, especially in remote areas. Another fantastic feature to add to the list is the phone's photochromatic coating on its back that changes its color when exposed to the sun. This means that she'll be walking around with a beautifully shining phone. More amazing is the fact that the color will camouflage itself with the background. With the overwhelming shreds of evidence, it is fair to say that iPhone 14 is no match for Tesla's iPhone. We wish to know what you feel about this subject. Share your opinions with us in the comments section below. Anyways guys, if you want to see more interesting videos, click the video right above. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe with all notifications enabled so that you don't miss out on the latest Elon Musk news.